I just threw out the food from the live so that whoever wants it can have it. But if you look close, well, I gotta zoom it up. But we have even the littlest of nature. You can see the ants and some kind of little wormy thing. So, just how nature works here. And they're all sharing the food. Let's get some close-ups. Ants hard at work. Oh, look, they're sharing the workload. Well, they were. That one right there. Oh, no, they're working together. See them? Oops, here we have, can I do the sky over here? No. Anyway, the ants are carrying little bits of food to their little homes. Everybody's getting a part of this. So, I'm done. I need to go in.